How to fix Bluetooth when it's connected but there's no sound. If your Bluetooth device is connected but not playing any sound, don't worry, fixing it is quick and easy. Step 1. Restart Bluetooth. Open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth off. Wait a moment, and then turn it back on. This refreshes the connection between your phone and the Bluetooth device, like a speaker or headphones. Step 2. Forget and reconnect the device. In the Bluetooth settings, tap the Info Eye icon next to the connected device. Select Forget this device, then reconnect it by pairing again. Step 3. Check volume levels. Make sure the volume is turned up on both your phone and the Bluetooth device. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to access the volume controls. Step 4. Restart your phone and Bluetooth device. Go to Settings in General, scroll down, and tap Shutdown to turn off your phone. Power off your Bluetooth device as well. Wait a few seconds, then turn them both back on and reconnect via Bluetooth. After following these steps, your sound should be working again. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.